just tidying up the electrics.
In what way?
Well, there was some wires that didn't have a proper connector on it, they were just wrapped. So I'm just putting a proper connector on them.
And what are you screwing at the moment?
This is a double pole, a diode that separates the two batteries.
So first you have to separate the batteries, right?
No, this separates the batteries automatically. It's from the wind generator. The wind generator, the power comes in here and it charges the two batteries separately, but doesn't allow the two batteries to join together. So it charges them separately.